I promised to give you guys a video that'll show you how to test for hard clear coat and soft clear coat on your own. That's what we do today. This hood here has soft clear coat. That's where we'll start. So I'm going to take 2000 grit sandpaper and scuff up this hood, which has the soft clear coat, and then another panel which has hard clear coat with the same 2000 grit. And then what you're going to need on your end is a constant. And what that is that's something that remains the same every time you test, so you have something to compare to. So what you want to do is find any medium cut pad, doesn't matter if it's microfiber or foam, whatever, and any medium cut polish or compound. For me, this is going to be the Eurofiber 50/50 pad in 3D1. So I'll use this combination to test every panel and every vehicle I come upon, and that'll let me know what type of clear coat I have on each vehicle. So with this scuffed up, this is what it looks like. These scuff marks that you're looking at will represent scratches and love marks and swirls, because this panel was in good shape from polishing it constantly. So we're going to use the 3D one, put it on this Eurofiber 50/50 pad, and we're going to go make one trip down, one trip back, and that's equal to 2 passes, which is equal to the crisscross pattern that you often see me doing when I'm polishing or doing a video on compounding or polishing. So when I was learning the different types of clear coat hardnesses, I had 2 benchmarks. I had this set here. Well, the Eurofiber pad wasn't out then, but I did have a medium cut pad and a medium cut polish or compound. And then for blemishes and love marks and swirls that were very light, I had a finishing polish and a finishing pad that I would use and do the same type of testing. So it all depends what type of imperfections are in the painted surface that you're going after. If they're scratches and real beat up clear coat like you usually see come through my shop, this is what I would use to test hard or soft clear coat. If it's something that comes in with just some very light swirls, some light wash or love marks, then you can also test with a finishing polish and a finishing pad. It just depends on what you're going after. All right, I'll bring you in close to see, and guys, your test area or your test run doesn't have to be this long. I just made it this long for the purpose of the video, but as you can see, it removed everything, and I actually scratched again with this crappy microfiber towel that I'm using. That's how soft this clear is. But just a medium cut pad, medium cut polish will remove some real hefty marks from soft clear. Let's get to a panel with hard clear coat. This is going to be a different story. So this panel, of course, doesn't have real hefty scratches or love marks, so I'm going to make them again using the exact same sandpaper, 2000 grit. Going to grab my 3D one. I have the exact same pad on. Everything's going to be exactly the same when I go to test. Polisher will always be on the 3rd speed setting with just my thumb applying the same amount of pressure every time. Correction speed, 1 inch every second or 2. This time, when I bring you in, all you will see is slight improvement. It's not enough to remove those marks. Hard clear coat, you're going to need something like a microfiber cutting pad and a cutting compound to get that done in just 2 trips. So that is how I used to do it when I had no idea what the hardness of clear coat is on these vehicles. By now, I know when a car or a vehicle pulls in the bay exactly what I'm going to use, unless it's been repainted or already worked on where it needs a slight adjustment. But I hope that helps you. If it's confusing, let me know. Let's take one more look here real quick. This is on soft clear coat, and this will be on hard clear coat with the exact same polish and pad, 1 trip over, 1 trip back. Again, you don't have to make the test area that big. Make it about 1 foot long or so. Usually on the hood's a good place to do it, or a trunk, or maybe even the roof. So I hope that helps. If you enjoy the content, like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when we have new videos available.